Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Carbcolords A4 high-speed DTF printer. Don't forget to hit the link below for current pricing and availability. Let's start with the basics. The Carbcolords A4 DTF printer is designed to handle high-speed, high-quality transfers with incredible detail and vibrant color accuracy. It's perfect for printing designs on both light and dark fabrics, from cotton and polyester to blends and other materials. The best part? You don't need any pre-treatment or complex heat press steps like with traditional DTG methods. Just print, powder, cure, and press. It's that easy. This printer comes with a white ink mixing and circulation system, which is a big deal for reliability. White ink is essential for getting bright, opaque designs on darker garments, and this system keeps it constantly moving to prevent clogging or sediment buildup. That means smoother printing, less maintenance, and longer print head life, all crucial for consistent production quality. Included with the printer is a roll feeder, allowing continuous film feeding for faster, uninterrupted printing. Whether you are making a few custom shirts or running a bulk order, this setup saves you time and increases efficiency. Plus, the precision printhead technology ensures every detail, from fine text to gradient color transitions, comes out clean and sharp. Now, what really makes this bundle stand out is that it's not just the printer. You're getting a complete DTF kit, including an oven for film curing, 6 250ml bottles of premium ink, DTF film rolls, and DTF adhesive powder. Everything you need to get started is right in the box, so you can begin printing your first design within hours of setup. The color performance is excellent, deep blacks, vivid reds, and true-to-life tones that pop on any fabric. Thanks to the advanced ink formulation and consistent heat transfer, your prints are not only stunning but also durable and stretch-resistant. They'll stand up to repeated washes without cracking or fading, which is key for customer satisfaction and professional results. The included oven makes curing straightforward and consistent. You simply heat the film to activate the adhesive powder, and once it's ready, you can transfer it to your garment using a standard heat press. The process is efficient, clean, and ideal for beginners or experienced print professionals looking for a compact, reliable setup. This DTF printer also features an intuitive interface and easy calibration options, making it beginner-friendly. You don't need deep technical knowledge to start, just follow the setup guide, load your design, and start printing. Maintenance is simple too, thanks to the self-cleaning and ink circulation functions that keep the printer running smoothly. With its combination of speed, precision, and reliability, the Carbcolords A4 DTF printer is a fantastic option for small businesses, custom clothing creators, or anyone looking to enter the apparel printing market without spending thousands on industrial equipment. So, to sum it up, the Carbcolords A4 DTF high-speed transfer machine gives you everything you need for professional quality printing in a compact package. With its white ink mixing system, roll feeder, curing oven, and full starter kit, it's a complete solution for turning your creative ideas into durable, wearable art. If you're ready to level up your custom t-shirt business or start a new creative side hustle, this DTF setup is definitely worth checking out. You'll find links below for pricing and availability. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hands-on reviews and creative tech gear.